My name is Jess Navarro and I am a graduate civil engineer. I've got a fairly analytical brain. I really enjoy problem solving, but actually I also enjoy the more management side, and team working is a huge thing in engineering. It's pretty much essential. I'll look at what the problem is on site, design it, help project manage it, and then I get to see it actually get constructed on site as well. So I see the whole life cycle and it's so rewarding and exciting actually. I have a master's degree in civil engineering from Cardiff University, and before that I went through an A-level route.
My name's Jay Haynes. I've just completed the T-level in design, planning and surveying, and I'm now an apprentice site supervisor. So I finished school after my GCSEs, and then I did a 2-year T-level course, and after that I'm now an apprentice.
What I enjoy most about the engineering sector is the variety of challenges. So I've had the opportunity to work across a range of projects and also visit a range of projects. So anything from going to see how a nuclear power station is built to how some of the largest sewers in the world are going to be constructed.
You can come in through an apprenticeship route from either an A-level, BTEC, or even a T-level, which is a new qualification. You don't need previous experience necessarily or qualifications. You can come in at any level.
There is such a huge variety of skills required within the engineering industry, and such a wide range of roles. We need more women in this industry. We are also looking for perhaps people that have started on an alternative career path, but have great transferable skills.
So the first piece of advice is don't be afraid to ask for some help. Most businesses now will make every effort to try to provide at least some kind of work experience.